welcome back to my channel. I am Candace, and today I am sharing a card that I made using Altenew's Timeless Tulips stamp set, along with their coordinating dies and stencils. Now, if you enjoy crafty inspiration and want to see more, please hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, guys. So for the stenciling, I am using it's a 3-pack stencil. I'm using stencils 2 and 3. I'm using the Distress Oxide inks and tumble glass to create the blue in the vase, and then I am using mowed lawn, the color in the grass. Now, I recently got some of these smaller blending brushes off of Amazon, and I am loving them to help fill in some of those areas where it's closer to other parts of the stencil, so I wouldn't hit those. Now I'm using prized ribbon to color in the tulips, and I thought the blue was so pretty and vibrant, and I got the idea to use blue from Altenew because in their stamp set they give you like a card that you can open up and see how the stenciling, and it gives you some ideas. And so one of the ideas was using blue ink, so I decided to use that on my card. So the next the next color I'm going to be using is the Stormy Sky, and I just love this color, and it's a great contrast to you with the prized ribbon. Yeah, and I really enjoyed blending on this not blending, but using the Distress Oxides on this project. Now, when I inked up the image, I actually used I think it's called Versaclear black ink, and I used that because I wanted a nice crisp image. And in my sample, I actually used um, embossing powder and stuff, and I didn't really care for how it looked. But here I am going back over the image after I've done my stenciling with the Versaclear, because doing the stenciling caused the image caused the black to fade out a little, so I just wanted to make that more vibrant. So next I am using what is the name of this set? This set is Splendid Bouquet for the sentiment. I'm using Altenew's Jet Black ink, and I'm going to stamp that out twice, and I'm going to cut that out with my die cutting machine. So I found some blue cardstock, blueberry blue cardstock from the Stamps of Life in my stash, so I'm using that. I cut it out with the Waffle Flower A2 layers dies, and I used the third die on the blueberry, and then I cut out another piece of white using the same dies. So now I'm using some foam strips that I got from Amazon, and I think I paid like maybe like $7 or $8, and you get like 1,000 strips of that foam dimensional adhesive. So, and I really enjoy it. So I'm adding that to the card, and I also added a piece to one side of the sentiment because I'm going to have one side hanging off the flower, and then the word "you" is going to be glued on to the vase. I also had some blue ribbon in my stash from the Stamps of Life, and for some reason when you're making a video, you just have a hard time making bows all of a sudden. And so I'm just making a little bow to go on to the vase. And then I also found some blue enamel dots to add on to the card project also. And that's going to finish up the card for today. So I want to take the time to thank you guys for joining me today for this card project. And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye bye.